Hello everyone! For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can buy Bitcoin using Trust application. First is to open Trust on your phone. Once opened, make sure that you are logged in. Once the app is open, you'll see at the top part of your screen the option to buy. Just press the buy icon, which will lead you to this page. You'll see here different types of currencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and many more. Just press Bitcoin and enter the amount that you want to buy. For example, if you'll buy $150 worth of Bitcoin, that would be 0.00547 Bitcoin. Once you press next, you'll see different providers with different exchange rates. So, the best option is to choose the first one on the list because it offers the best rates. You can also change the amount that you want to purchase, but remember that the minimum purchase is $50. You can enter amount as little as $50 or even as huge as $1,000. So again, for example, you'll purchase $100 worth of Bitcoin, just press next, and then choose the provider that you want to use. This will redirect you to a new site. It will redirect you to the provider that you chose where you have to enter your payment details. And that's how you can buy Bitcoin using Trust. If this video helped you, don't forget to press like, subscribe, and the notification bell. See you again on our next videos.